The pricing and the quotation we got from Linear was very detailed and comprehensive. It gave Mary Lou and I a really good breakdown in terms of where all the big and insignificant costs were, and also where all the risks were. And we had a great opportunity multiple times to talk through with Mike from Linear around some value for money type discussions. We were very happy with the quote, and we were even happier with the final result. So Mary Lou and I went into the build knowing exactly what the price was at the start and where the contingency items and risk items were, and our outcome was exceptional. We landed exactly where we expected, and Mike communicated to us throughout the entire journey on all of those key critical risk areas associated with the build. So we landed with a no surprises outcome. Yeah, so from the initial quote phase, we worked through a whole range of options that Linear identified as either challenges or value enhancements. We tweaked the design on a number of things to deliver more value for Mary Lou and I, and then had a really good engaging process with Linear in arriving at what the final design and price was. So for example of the collaborative process that we had with Linear, our original design had a stacked door system to open up the kitchen to the backyard, and during construction Mike pointed out that we could actually open up the backyard even more with a recessed door system. And so it's just a wonderful process to actually work with the builder to come up with a solution that really did add value while we were working through the job, and incorporate a change in the design. It was a very easy process, and Mary Lou and I now are just absolutely ecstatic with the result. We've got an area that opens up the kitchen to the backyard completely. I'd have no hesitation in recommending the process of tendering that we went through with Linear. It gave us really great opportunity to input into a design that we knew would actually turn out a cost that was within our budget. It meant that we could get all those constructability sort of typical issues into the design, and hence the price up front. And it meant that all of the little bespoke designs and everything all the way down to appliances and tapware and finishes were incorporated into the design right up front and in that base cost.